How to use Amazon gift mode to find perfect present. Let's get started. So, Amazon gift mode makes gift shopping easier by helping you send items without needing the recipient shipping address upfront. To get started, open up Amazon and then search for the product you would like to send as a gift. If the product supports gift mode, you will see buy as a gift or send as a gift option on the product page. After that, you can go ahead and simply tap on continue. And just like that, enter the recipient's email address or phone number depending on the option available. Amazon will send them a link where they can provide their preferred shipping address and in some cases, choose gift preferences. You can even add a personalized message to make your gift more special. Once everything looks good, you can complete your purchase and Amazon will handle the rest. That's it. Using Amazon gift mode is a simple way to send thoughtful gift while letting the recipient choose where they want them delivered. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.